Chicken and waffles. This is a classic American dish. It's delicious. It's the perfect marriage of sweet, salty, and crunchy into one dish. I make it for Sunday brunch or when I'm feeling like breakfast for dinner kind of thing. Don't forget to watch the video until the end and like and subscribe. We are going to start marinating the chicken, and I will be using buttermilk. I have my buttermilk in here, and I'm going to put the chicken in there to marinate for 30 to 45 minutes. And for our waffle batter, we start with 2 eggs. Oh, say hello to my dog. There she is, next to me. Oh, she loves to come and make me company, check things out. Now I'm going to add lemon zest. Lime zest is fine as well. Vegetable oil. Sugar. Salt. And baking soda. And for my dry ingredients, baking powder goes in with the flour. Mix it well. And now all this is ready to be mixed together, the wet and the dry. You will be alternating the flour with milk until you get the right consistency for your waffles. It can't be too thin and it can't be too thick, just right. Add a splash of vanilla extract just for flavor. Now this recipe yields between 6 to 8 waffles. I usually double or triple this recipe because I like to make plenty of waffles for the month. I just put them in a Ziploc bag, then put them in the freezer, and they keep really nice. Then anytime you need, just grab a waffle, put it in the toaster oven, and then your breakfast will be ready in just minutes. When your waffle maker is hot, it's time to add some cooking spray if you want, but I prefer to use melted butter because it adds that yummy flavor. Add the batter to your waffle maker and let it cook completely. My waffle maker usually takes 2 minutes to cook my waffles. See the steam? When you don't see steam coming out anymore, that means your waffles are done. And for our dry dredge, we're going to need all-purpose flour, and we're gonna add seasonings to it. I just added garlic powder, minced onions, cayenne pepper, paprika, black pepper, and salt. Now for my wet dredge, I'm gonna need buttermilk, and I will also season it with black pepper, a little bit of salt, and also some hot sauce. I like it extra spicy, so I will be adding a little bit more. It is really important that we season well our flour and our buttermilk, because these two are just going to add flavor to each layer to the chicken, and we really want that chicken to be flavorful. Now the fun part, the dry, wet, dry process. First it goes in the flour, then the chicken goes into the buttermilk, and then one more time into the flour. Doesn't that look amazing, you guys? A bed of waffles, the chicken, and now the usual suspects. We have the hot sauce and the delicious syrup. You can go original, you can go light, or you can just use honey. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you next time.